Hey everybody, this is ProVerb and I've just received my Huawei MateBook X Pro. What I'm loving already is the 3K Ultra Full View display. It's a touchscreen facility. You can literally drag files from your phone. You can take calls on your laptop. You can WhatsApp on your laptop. Not to mention the screen to body ratio is 91%. Plus it's ultra thin and light as well. This baby has the Intel Core i7 10th generation. The RAM on this is 16 gig and the SSD is 1 terabyte. So rendering is quicker, the speed is quicker, that it comes preloaded with Windows 10 Pro. And to switch it on, all you need now is your fingerprint. You just touch the button, simple as that. The camera is hidden here on board, so you can actually decide when to put it on and when to switch it off. This baby is well equipped. Plus, it comes with this extra cool bag, plus it's ultra cool mouse as well, which is very convenient.